Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be analyzing four assets, Amazon.com, Terra Luna, DeFiChain and AXIE Infinity. We will see where they might move over the next weeks and months. Please subscribe to our channel if you want us to keep releasing technical analysis for free. While to receive our real-time alerts and our top picks on stocks, cryptos, commodities and forex, then you can join our growing community on Patreon. You will find the link in the description field. Let's start with Amazon.com. As you can see here, we have a weekly chart. After a prolonged period of distribution, Amazon.com has broken below the 3,000 US dollar area. Where we see Amazon.com is definitely around 2,000 US dollar, where from here I will be personally a buyer for a strong rebound over the short term. Okay, now if we analyze the two proprietary indicators, we see that both of them are negative, with the green curve below the red one, with the second indicator with the green curve below the azure one. Now a better idea can be retrieved once analyzing the monthly chart. As you can see here, is very visible the distribution area with a series of horizontal candlesticks, and with finally a very long black candle breaking below the 3,000 US dollar area. Here is quite visible that Amazon.com is doomed to hit this area. Now there is space, there are no main supports, so definitely we're going to see the price tumbling down till 2,000 US dollar. 2,000 US dollar actually will be an extremely important area from where I do believe we're going to see some rebound over the short term. Right now, this area that with the double of 3,700 US dollar should be considered as the top for the next years. Okay, we have seen, I've already explained several times, like I really believe that the top that we have seen in 2021 will be the top for the majority, for most of the American companies over the next 5 if not 10 years. Okay, now we can switch to the from Amazon.com. So very first target 2,000 US dollar. From here we will see a rebound, at least probably this area 2,005 2,700 US dollar, from where I do believe we are going down again. Actually the 2,000 US dollar area will be retested in 2023. Now let's move on. Let's analyze Terra, which is a very interesting chart. So right now we're switching to analyzing the cryptocurrency. Let's switch to the daily chart. In this case we can delete the two property indicators because I want to analyze the what the channel, the commodity channel index can tell to us. Okay, normally you know that by default the commodity channel index is set up at 20 periods, while I've been writing in my best-selling book Forex the Holy Grail, I do prefer using the 66 and 132 periods, which actually allows us to better understand the trend without considering the noise. Okay, so now if we enlarge the picture, we can see actually, and if we compare Terra Luna with the chart that we have seen for Amazon.com, we can definitely state that right now Terra, even obviously we are comparing one cryptocurrency with the stock, but just to give you an idea, we can definitely say that Terra has a very healthy chart when compared with Amazon.com. So while Amazon.com is doomed to keep tumbling down, I do believe that Terra Luna actually is doomed to move higher over the next months or horizontally. I've been specifying how we are inside the bearish trend for the crypto market. I've been explaining several times that I've detected a 6 years big cycle, to be more precise 5.5 6-year cycle with 4 years of uptrend and 1.5 and 2 years 1.5/2 years of downtrend. Okay, right now the downtrend started in October 2021, so we are inside the bearish momentum. We are inside the descending phase of the Gauss curve. Okay, yet even if we were inside the descending phase of the Gauss curve, I'm convinced that some crypto can overperform the market average. Okay, so and Terra Luna most probably is one of those cryptocurrency, which is actually very strong and actually is giving us a very interesting idea of what a strong cryptocurrency can do. Okay, now let's move on. Let's analyze the commodity channel index. What we see here actually is that this is a commodity channel index at 66 period. As you can see here, the white curve has hit the lower band, okay, at minus 100. So what can happen right now? Yes, we might see some movement down the 100 area, minus 100 area, yet the cycle, the daily cycle, actually is over right now. So it's just a matter of days or just few weeks anyway. I do believe right now we are going to experience over the next days and weeks the beginning of the ascending phase of the Gauss curve. So if we analyze the two previous cycle, we see here the point of low in November 2021, and actually what happened, this is actually what I see, a cycle, the first one, okay, November 2021, with the point of low, the second, the descending phase of the Gauss curve in January 22. Okay, in January 22 we have actually started the new ascending phase. Right now we are inside the descending phase. What is very interesting is that, as you can see here, the point of low is higher than the previous one. Also, the point of high is higher than the previous point of high, which means we are inside a clear uptrend with higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so Terra Luna is very extremely promising right now, and of course, if you want to receive our real-time alerts, then you can join our community on Patreon. You will find the link in the description field. Okay, so Terra looks very promising and actually is very resilient to the weakness which is characterizing the market right now. Now let's analyze DeFiChain and AXIE Infinity. Okay, so we will see two completely different kind of chart. Okay, AXIE Infinity actually is very weak right now after having a hit point of high at 167 US dollar. Right now is moving down inside what is a perfect Gauss curve. Okay, this is the ascending phase of the Gauss curve, this is the ascending one. So where is going to move AXIE Infinity? Definitely is going to test this area between 17, 18 US dollar and 20 US dollar. Right now is 30 is at 34 US dollar, but from what I see in terms of price action, I do believe AXIE Infinity is doomed to keep moving down till this area, okay, between 18 and 20 US dollar. But before buying AXIE Infinity, I will be waiting for a much better confirmation for a price reversal, okay. Yet what we can definitely see from the price action is that the point of low, the relative point of low for the next weeks is really close. Okay, so in other words, what I'm saying is that the majority of the downtrend of the fall for AXIE Infinity has been done, and what we should be expecting over the next weeks is a rebound. But before, we definitely have to test this area around 17-20 US dollars. So for those ones who are eager to position themselves, so who are eager to buy AXIE Infinity, I will be waiting till seeing AXIE Infinity testing this area between 17 and 20 US dollar. Now let's move on and let's analyze DeFiChain. DeFiChain has a fantastic chart. As you can see here, from 0.16 US dollar has been moving higher till 5.81. Right now it's testing the very important area at 5 US dollar, from where actually we can see a horizontal resistance. We have interesting volumes. Right now the volumes are not enough, as you can see here, are just on the average. So we will need to be waiting, we will need to wait to keep attention once the DeFiChain will be approaching this area at 5 US dollar. But definitely we want to see much higher volumes, and with much higher volumes we can then position ourselves above 5 US dollar. With the very first target at 7-8 US dollar minimum, from where I do believe we will see some retrace. So DeFiChain definitely is a cryptocurrency, is a very promising cryptocurrency to watch over the next days. Okay guys, if you want to receive my signals, please subscribe to my Patreon channel. You will find a link in the description field. Thank you guys.